Hello everyone. Everyone has been asking me, are these spells easy from my Spell for Beginners book? So I have made a sample here of a simple money spell combining not magic. The book has a lot of various spells for various issues. If you can see, I have tried to show you all a simple spell where we combine our own modalities, whichever we know, be it healing or anything or candle magic, and I have explained a spell to you. The book has step by step explanation of every spell, right from carving to the candles to applying the oil. And while applying the oil, what is the intent that we do when we are using this candle oil, and the oil recipes are also given. And if you see, I have also given knot magic, a simple way to do a knot magic, and it also describes in detail how a knot magic is done, followed by the knot magic how we also work with the placement of the candles after doing our proper knot magic in the thread and then tying it to the candles. If you see the video, it's very self-explanatory. The same way the book has also been made so that it's easy for all of you all to try these beautiful spells. The tying of the candles, and after the tying of the candles, the placement of the candles, along with it, the burning of the candles. Every detail has been given. And this book has more than 15 spells. It has certain oils. It has certain basics like the moon faces. How do you work as a spellcaster? How do you use the spells for your own development and for that of your clients? Now, when I am giving the energy here, it's with my own way of giving energies. You can always give energies the way you know. And if you don't know any way of working with the energies, you can always do your spell and surrender it to the universe. So the first 100 special editions, out of which 70 books have been sold, are personally signed by me.